Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another nail art video, and this one is an under the sea themed nail art design. This design involves mostly reverse stamping, which is basically colored in stamping images. And as always, I'll leave a list of the products that I used in the description box below, as well as any discount codes that I have, so be sure to check that out. Anyways, let's go ahead and get on into the video. So first I'm going to apply a coat of UNT's Ready for Takeoff Base Coat to all of my nails, and then I'm going to apply 2 coats of Nails Inc.'s Ocean Ever After from the Self-Made Mermaid Duo. And for this design, I'm going to be using the Up Nails B056 Coasting to the Sea stamping plate. And on my middle nail, I'm going to be stamping this jellyfish image with a black stamping polish from MoU London, scraping it and picking it up with a clear jelly stamper. And before I stamp it onto my nails, I'm going to color it in with a purple metallic polish from What's Up Nails called Looking for a Star. And then once I'm finished filling that in, I'm going to stamp it onto my middle nail. For my ring fingernail, I'm going to be stamping this really cute saying, "I need vitamin C," just with a black stamping polish. And for my index and pinky nails, I'm going to be doing some reverse stamping with this full-size image. I'm going to first stamp it with a black stamping polish, and then I'm going to color in the image with a bunch of different polishes. And once that's all filled in, I'm going to stamp that onto my nail, and then I'm going to remove any excess image that goes beyond my nail. I'll do any remaining cleaning with a brush dipped in some acetone, and finally I'm going to add a fast drying glossy top coat to finish off this design. So here is the finished design, and I think the stamping plate is so cute. I have another nail art video coming out soon using this plate. Plus, I found a nail polish in my collection that I love but I haven't used in a really long time, so that's really exciting as well. Anyways, that's all for today's video. If you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art videos, so be sure to subscribe down below if you haven't already. And if you recreate this design, I would love to see it, so be sure to tag me on Instagram at caramellogram so I can see. Anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!